There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your favorite girl, hey. You know I'm back to slay. What's up, y'all? I hope y'all all are having like a really good day when you're watching this video. You know, staying mindful, positive, motivated, out the way, and minding your goddamn business. What's up? Okay, what's up, everybody? I hope y'all all are doing well when you're watching this video. It's your girl, A, and I'm back to slay. We back to slay. This ain't about me. It's about us. You know, bring it in. Let me give y'all all some hugs and kisses today. I hope y'all all are having like a really blessed day. Thank you for stopping through and joining me. I really do appreciate all of you ladies and gentlemen. And I know I really don't probably say that a lot, but I just want to let you all know I love you all. And if it wasn't for any of you, I wouldn't even be sitting here. So I thank you all so kindly from the bottom of my heart, from my heart. I truly am appreciative and grateful for all of you. So thank you for showing up for your girl. So I hope y'all all are doing well. You know, it is Wednesday. I'm not really sure what day this video is going to go out, but girl, I'm here for it. You know, I love a good wig. Girl, what's up? I love a good wig. And where can you get the best of the best for less is Amazon. Now, first of all, let me just tell y'all this real quick, because you know this is one of my favorite old-time favorite budget baddie wig companies, but are wood brands, budget baddie wig brands. But let me just tell y'all, you know when Amazon first, well, not even when Amazon first came out, but the first time I ever seen a wig on Amazon, I was like, I don't even know about that. Girl, I don't really even know if I want to buy that. It's on Amazon. But you could really find some good wigs on Amazon. And Unice, you know Unice be one of them. They are affordable. They are nice wigs. They are pre-everything. Girl, listen, if you are on a budget or not, check out Unice. They got the best of the best for less. And they're not just on Amazon. They're on AliExpress, and they also have their own website. Follow them on their social media, so that way you will be in the know about every time a new wig drop or a sale goes on. Because girl, listen, Amazon Prime, get your wig on time, boo. Okay, yeah, hello. So before we even get into anything, your unit will come with an HD wig cap, which comes with 2 caps and a melting band. Because girl, I know you need one. Y'all be wearing those little dirty melting bands, got the gel and the glue and the hairspray on them, and y'all still using them. I'm gonna not even front. A girl be using hers too. It feel like those ones be the best ones. You know, they have all the product in them. They hold it down. You know, just like with a scarf. When your head scarf gets too like oily or greasy, you have to wash it, because if you don't, yeah, you just want to wash it. Okay, but yes, it does come with a melting band and an HD wig cap. So this is a 24-inch, and you know, I love me a good glueless wig. Girl, I love a good wig. It's a good wig. What else can I tell you? It does come with a sheet of tape, so that way if you don't want to use hairspray, glue, or gel, you can use that. So this is a 7x5, and she is a bye-bye knot. She's already been bleached and such for you, already been bleached. It also does come with the rubber gripping and the stop the wig from slipping back grips. That's what I'm calling these, to stop the wig from slipping back grips. Because girl, you know what I'm talking about. You be out there looking cute, you think you're looking cute, and your wig is slipping back. This is going to prevent that, okay? This is going to prevent what your friends didn't prevent. Because if you're around your friends and they let your wig slip back, then they're not really your friends. So this wig is going to be your new bestie. It also comes with an adjustable strap at the nape, and it also has a comb as well. And the last thing, but not the least, is the drawstring. So that way your wig can sit tight and your wig won't go anywhere without you. Now this is one of their water wave ones. So with all of that being said, my yapping, let's just get into this video.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation, wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't.
All right, y'all. So I am done. Let me tell y'all, this is so easy to curl. Y'all see me, I don't part anything. I don't take it and I just pick up a little bit of hair, twirl it on and twirl it right back off. So that way I give myself more volume. You definitely don't have to do that for this water wave. You could just wash her and just hang her to dry and she will become wavy, okay? Or what you can do is wash her, put the conditioner in, rinse her out. And when it's time to air dry her, hang her upside down. So hang her by the cap. So that way the hair flows down and you'll get even more juicier curls or waves. And that's what I do most of the time with my unit. So because this one was already waved up and I really didn't want to wet her, I did want to just wand curl her and give her more volume. That's what I did. But the one thing that I do like about these wigs is that you really don't have to do much. I already went ahead and just made her for myself. I did tweeze some of the hairline or basically just pulled away some of the hairline. She's a 7x5. She definitely gives you enough parting. If you are one who does not like 13x4s or 13x6s and doing all that extra, get you a 7x5 by Unice and you'll definitely be okay with that. I was about to make her into a right part. Okay. Then I was like, girl, leave her as is. Plenty of parting space, as you guys can see. I didn't get an opportunity to curl the back because normally when I do curl my wigs, my units, it's always on a mannequin head. And so I figured, well, y'all ain't gonna see the back. So what does it even matter? This is what 24 inches looks like. Very full. You know, Unice. Get the best for less. Okay. This came out super cute, but I love Unice. They have such great wigs. They're super affordable. She's pre-everything. And what you gonna do? Not much. Okay. Check out Unice. I'll definitely link everything down below. Y'all already know your girl A gots to go, but I will definitely see y'all in another video. If you stayed to the end, please give me a pink heart. And on that note, I love y'all. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll see y'all soon.
So you can go, yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus.